everyone, it's Carol. So happy to see you. Today I got some really cute goodies from Madison Reed, from Saturday Skin, from CBD for Life. They were given to me. I am going to show you each one.
First product that was given to me, Madison Reed Great Cover-Up.
Multitasking powder instantly covers roots and fills in brows for the perfect match. Rain, sweat, and pillow proof, stays put until your next shampoo. Perfect for easy on-the-go touch-ups. No mess, always perfect. Free of titanium dioxide, parabens, phthalates, gluten, and SLS. Full of hair-loving nutrients, keratin, argan oil, and ginseng root extract. Ooh! Use the brush on dry hair to cover roots and grays. Use the dual side brow brush to fill in and shape brows. That's the color. There's the light brown. That's really, really nice. Okay, see there? And then here. And here. So wherever I do put it, it covers. Thank you, Madison Reed. I love your products. This is CBD Rub for Life Lavender. Let's see, this was sent to me by this company, and let me show you what it looks like. It's a little mentholated. This best-selling rub has your back. Powered by phytonutrient-rich CBD and powerful essential oils, it delivers the results you want when you want it. Apply to desired area. Avoid contact with eyes. Okay, so I don't know if I have to rub it in my hands first or my neck is achy in the back. I'm just rubbing it right on my back of my neck. Oh, I am just putting it right onto my skin. Oh, that feels wonderful. I haven't taken a swatch of it like that. I've been just rubbing it and putting a little bit on my, basically on my neck, on my back when I'm in bed. And it feels so good. And just let me tell you a little bit about CBD Rub for Life. Here it is.
This cream is packed with 60 milligram high-potency, 100% natural lavender CBD oil. It is 1.7 ounces. It's rich and creamy and enriched with powerful essential oils such as shea butter to keep your skin supple and moisturized. It has been used by professional athletes and beauty professionals since 1996.
It feels good. I know I have been using this every night since I've gotten it. And like my aches are usually back here. Oh, I just feel so achy there. But right now, I don't feel achy. Wow. So it must be the CBD. CBD is so cool. I never understood what CBD was, but it's like the THC is taken out of the pot. And it's legal here in California. No, the THC is taken out of it, and all you're left with is the CBD, and they found out that CBD is very healing for all kinds of things, moisturizers and aches and pains and lip balms and eye creams. I'm really happy to be on board. Thank you, CBD for Life. Next, I have my favorite Saturday Skin Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream, and which I use all the time. And now I have the carrot and niacinamide moisturizing. This is the Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream, and this is the carrot and niacinamide. So let me show you this. It's so wonderful. First of all, it comes with a little cap, and it's just so whipped and lovely. Ooh. And I just put it every night and every day on my crow's feet. There are crow's feet here, you know. Don't think I don't have any. I am in front of beauty lights here. Beauty lights take away all the shadows in your face, so they make you look a little better. So don't think that, oh, you have crow's feet and I don't, because I have crow's feet. And this is carrot. Very interesting, right? Carrot and niacinamide. Let's see this. Comes with a little cover. Ooh, another little whip, delicious. Oh, this is softer than the eye cream. Well, let me show you it first. And let's see what this says. This ultra moisturizing cream is packed with superfood extracts from carrots, combined with ceramides and lipids that help to protect your skin's appearance from drying and environmental stressors. These potent extracts from the carrot combined with niacinamide improves the look of skin's tone and texture. Centilla silica extract assists with the appearance of healthier looking skin overall. So, there, I have some here. And I am known to put moisturizer on top of my foundation. I just think it gives me that extra boost. I do it all the time. So Saturday Skin is known for this CHA 7, which says right there, CHA 7. It's an exclusive peptide formula, promotes the look of skin's natural glow and renewal. That's what this company is known for. And so cute. Is that not cute? I love it. I'll keep this next to my bed and just put it all over. It's fabulous. Really fabulous. I love it. So one more thing that I bought myself. It's called Bright Side by MILANI. It's Illuminating Primer, Vitamin C, and Provitamin B5. Now that's so funny. Everything's got vitamin C now, which is really good for you. And just let me show you this. I'll put this on in the next Get Ready With Me. But I'll just show you what this looks like. Now it looks like a BB cream, kind of like a foundation. It's supposed to give a glow, and believe me, it gives a glow. Somewhere in this video, when I have a different shirt on, I had just freshly put it on my face. Right now, look, I love to do that. I put creams, moisturizers, balms, vitamin E, vitamin C on top of my foundation a lot of times. You know, especially if I'm in the house, I try not to wear any makeup and just keep my moisturizers and my creams and my day creams and vitamin E, and just keep my skin moisturized and nourished all day. That is my mother's secret. Now, one, she always kept something on her face. If she didn't have makeup on, she had Pond's Cold Cream. From there, she went to Ultima to CHR cream or something like that. Her other secret to gorgeous skin at 96 is massage. She started the massage from her shoulders and went up to her forehead until her face was beet red, her shoulders were red. Because when the blood comes to your skin, it feeds your skin. It feeds your skin. That's what the gua sha stone is about, and so many things that you put on your face is meant to stimulate collagen and get blood circulating. Well, she was doing this in the 40s. She was doing this way before it was popular. This was her secret. And wearing makeup protected her face. And when she took that makeup off, she put that Pond's Cold Cream on right away. And she cleaned her face, but then she put the moisturizer on. And she always had a shiny face at home. I mean, anybody who knows me, who is a friend of mine or a cousin of mine, knows that when they came to the house, and my mother was there, and she had no makeup on, she had Pond's Cold Cream on. So, she's a testament. She should be on every beauty magazine possible. She is just an absolute doll, my mother. And I mean, we used to massage our face also with honey. We used to just put honey on our face, and that would like lift your skin, and it would get the blood coming up to your skin. Now she's blue pink, I'm yellow orange. My coloring is like my father. So it's very hard for me to get pink in my skin. So I work hard to get it. But my mother would get pink easier, but she worked hard to get it too. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed yourself for the few minutes that you're here. I hope you picked up some tips, and all links will be down below. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day, a great night, wherever you are. Remember, I love you.